Ever feel like you're juggling a million different tools to run your business? Email marketing here, social media scheduling there, customer relationship management somewhere else entirely. It's exhausting, right? And honestly, it can feel like you're spending more time managing the tools than actually growing your business. I've been there. We've all been there. That chaotic feeling of trying to keep all the plates spinning, hoping nothing crashes down. So, what if there was a single platform that could bring all those essential business functions together? A central hub, if you will, where you could manage everything from marketing and sales to customer service and operations. That's where HubSpot comes in. And that's what we're diving into today. What exactly is the main use of HubSpot? Now, before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand the bigger picture. HubSpot isn't just a collection of tools. It's a philosophy. It's built around the idea of inbound marketing. Think of traditional marketing like shouting at a crowd with a megaphone. You're interrupting people, hoping someone will listen. Inbound marketing, on the other hand, is like creating a magnet. You create valuable content that attracts the right people to you, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. HubSpot provides the platform to make that happen. It's designed to help you attract, engage, and delight your customers, all within a single, integrated system. So, to answer the core question, the main use of HubSpot is to provide a comprehensive platform for inbound marketing and sales, enabling businesses to attract, engage, and delight customers, ultimately driving growth. Let's break that down a little further. What does attract, engage, and delight actually mean in practice? Attract. This is all about getting the right people to your website. HubSpot helps you do this through various tools like blogging software, SEO tools, and social media management. You can create valuable content that answers your target audience's questions, optimize your website to rank higher in search results, and promote your content on social media. Think about it. If you're a bakery, you're not trying to attract people who hate sweets. You want to attract people who love pastries, cakes, and all things delicious. HubSpot helps you target the right taste buds, so to speak. Engage. Once you've attracted visitors to your website, you need to engage them. This is where HubSpot's marketing automation tools, email marketing, and landing pages come in. You can create personalized email campaigns, offer valuable downloads in exchange for contact information, and nurture leads through targeted content. Imagine a customer downloads a guide to baking sourdough bread. You can then send them a series of emails with more tips, recipes, and maybe even a discount on your baking supplies. You're building a relationship, not just blasting out generic ads. Delight. The final stage is delighting your customers. This is where HubSpot's CRM, customer service tools, and feedback surveys come into play. You can track customer interactions, provide personalized support, and gather feedback to improve your products and services. Think about a time you had a truly exceptional customer service experience. Probably made you a loyal customer for life, right? HubSpot helps you create those kinds of experiences. Now, let's look at some of the specific tools within HubSpot that make all of this possible. This isn't an exhaustive list, but it covers some of the key features. CRM, customer relationship management, this is the heart of HubSpot. It's a central database where you can store all information about your contacts, leads, and customers. You can track their interactions with your website, their email opens, their purchases, and more. This gives you a 360-degree view of each customer, allowing you to personalize your interactions and provide better service. Marketing Hub. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to attract and engage your audience. This includes blogging software, SEO tools, social media management, email marketing, landing pages, forms, and marketing automation. Essentially, everything you need to run your inbound marketing campaigns. Sales Hub. This hub focuses on helping your sales team close deals. It includes tools like contact management, deal tracking, sales automation, and reporting. It helps your sales team be more efficient and effective. Service Hub. This hub is all about providing excellent customer service. It includes tools like ticketing, live chat, knowledge base, and feedback surveys. It helps you resolve customer issues quickly and efficiently. CMS Hub. This is HubSpot's content management system. It allows you to build and manage your website. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with the other HubSpot tools. Operations Hub. This hub helps you connect all your different business tools and automate your processes. It includes tools for data sync, workflows, and custom integrations. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is HubSpot right for my business? That's a valid question. HubSpot is a powerful platform, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's best suited for businesses that are serious about inbound marketing and are willing to invest the time and resources to learn and implement the platform. It's particularly beneficial for businesses that have a complex sales process and need to manage a large number of leads and customers. However, HubSpot also offers different tiers and pricing plans, making it accessible to businesses of different sizes and budgets. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, there's likely a HubSpot plan that can fit your needs. They also offer a free CRM, which is a great way to get started and explore the platform. So, to recap, the main use of HubSpot is to provide a comprehensive platform for inbound marketing and sales. It helps businesses attract, engage, and delight customers, ultimately driving growth. It does this through a suite of integrated tools that cover everything from marketing automation and email marketing to CRM and customer service. Now, is HubSpot the only platform that offers these features? No, of course not. There are other marketing and sales platforms out there. But what sets HubSpot apart is its focus on inbound marketing and its comprehensive suite of tools, all integrated within a single platform. This makes it a powerful and efficient solution for businesses that are serious about growing their customer base and their revenue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.